the Super Affiliate Funnel Review. Yes, the Super Affiliate Funnel Review with the Legacy Builder Program by Michelle O'Neill. And folks, once again, it's Paulie B coming at you right outside the Big Apple, New York City. A windy, cold day. Folks, we're getting weather in the 20s. And I'm trying to stay warm with 8.2 million people all clustered together. Folks, if you're in northern Jersey or Manhattan, you better wear 3 or 4 pieces of clothing. You're gonna need it. Folks, I want to tell you what I live by. And Zig Ziglar said it best. You can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. And folks, Paulie B's Inner Circle with the Legacy Builder Program and the Super Affiliate Funnel. I was just thinking, folks, when you join a program and that sponsor, mentor, gives you bonuses and wants to give you all these bonuses, sometimes I scratch my head and I say, are they just trying to get rid of me? Because most of the time, think about it. Do you really use all those bonuses they send you? Or would you rather have that person spend time with you, being a real sponsor that you can call on the phone, doing live Zooms with you, helping you when you get stuck? Folks, you're looking at them. Paulie B, I want to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset manifestation coach. And when you join Paulie B's Inner Circle, that same day, I will jump on a Zoom with you, put the training wheels on that bike until you start getting a couple of few sales, take the training wheels off, and teach you how to live your dream lifestyle. And folks, once you get there, and I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but if you can have someone that you can talk to on the phone, that would be there, close up, that is the biggest bonus. And that's what I want to give you. Included in that, when joining the Super Affiliate Funnel, and you join the Legacy Builder Program at the $900 package, I will purchase for you 100 leads that will go into that email list that you could use, highly converting leads that will convert to sales. And folks, what is better than that? And David Deckel has put together the master genius Super Affiliate Funnel. 2025 will be your best year, folks. Yes, it will. This Super Affiliate Funnel simply works. And if you're still struggling to make money online, Paulie B tells you right now that you are in the right place. And we cannot forget, Michelle O'Neill and the Legacy Builder Program is still popping, folks. Still popping. But right now, I would love to show you David Deckel's Super Affiliate Funnel. Now, folks, this funnel comes with 7 income streams. When you first see the funnel, this is what you'll see. It has a highly converting video. And it's a free funnel. Yes, P.S. A free funnel. Free to join with 7 income streams. Folks, if you are struggling right now, I know I'm talking to someone. If you are struggling, trying to make sales with the Legacy Builder Program, you need to sign up to this free funnel, put your link in there. Let's go to the members area so I could show you. This is what you'll get when you sign up for the free funnel. 7 income streams. By the way, Google says the average millionaire has 7 income streams. By no coincidence, David Deckall has put 7 income streams here. You'll get your 2 affiliate funnels here. One is the main one, and the second one is to a webinar that you can promote every day that is on this file at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These income streams stick, folks. You have recurring bills, don't you? If you have recurring bills, why not reoccurring income? We are going to teach you rather quickly, within your first week or two. Disclaimer, not everyone is going to make the money we're making, because Henry Ford said it right. Whether you believe you can or whether you believe you can't, you, my friend, are right. Believing, having faith, is the most powerful energy alongside love. And I'm here to tell you, I love you. And like my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, my prayer and wish for you is that you have life, and life more abundantly. So folks, here it is. The first income stream got backup. This protects all your data on your devices. It is a non-refund, under 1%, let's put it this way, under 1% ask for refunds when joining my Got Backup. This has been here for years, folks. The second income stream is SendShark. This is the email software. The income stream number 3 is ROI Panel. This tracks all your content and helps you to differentiate your good traffic and what's not working. And folks, here is the 4th income stream, is the Legacy Builder Program. Yes, the Legacy Builder Program. Just put your link in there, folks. If this is the only one you can join, then use it. The next one is My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is the email software that works like a charm, folks. And the 6th one is Udemy. This is paid traffic. Folks, excuse me 1 second, please. 1 second, folks. Yes. All right. Sorry about that, folks. We have a staff here, and sometimes they talk louder than I do. Folks, the 7th income stream is M3 Inner Circle. Yes, this works, folks. M3 Inner Circle is a software that puts out thousands of emails each day on your behalf. Folks, this funnel simply works. It's a done-for-you funnel. It complements the Legacy Builder Program. And if you watch my previous videos, I tell you the most honest truth that I believe why people are struggling. The Legacy Builder Program is magnificent, and people are becoming millionaires within less than a year. But there's almost 50,000 people who have joined, and there's just maybe a half a dozen or so of these templates. This is the one that I use as well. But I have noticed, after testing this capture page and the super affiliate funnel, this funnel converts the best. This funnel converts the best. So folks, please Go to the description. Click that super affiliate funnel link. Go to the description and get in where you fit in. If you could just for now sign up for this free funnel and put in the Legacy Builder program link, that would work. But try to join all 7. I have joined all 7 income streams, and it's working like a charm, folks. It's $0 to start using this funnel, done for you, and it has roll-ups. So whatever income stream you don't join, and the person above you, like myself, joined all 7, what you're going to be doing is advertising for me. So it's going to benefit you to join as many income streams as possible. And residual income will be your gift. And you could start earning $5K a month, $10K, 15, 20. The sky is the limit. Joshua Elder is on the top leaderboard, and he has thus far made almost $90,000. Folks, after a few days of joining, these are the referrals that are coming in. And folks, this funnel works. For those of you with the Legacy Builder program with System.io, are you getting leads in that funnel? Well, guess what, folks? Look how quickly I'm getting these leads in. This funnel works. It comes with bonuses, but like I said, folks, the main bonus is having me as your sponsor, mentor, mindset manifestation coach. For inquiring minds, pick up the cell phone, whether it be an iPhone or Android, and call 862-658-2086 right outside the Big Apple, New York City, in the state of New Jersey. That number again is 862-658-2086. For those of you on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, go to the bio, get some more info, go to that bio and get some more info. And always remember, folks, I'm here for you. And the great Albert Einstein said, the imagination is everything. It's a preview of life's coming attractions. Make it a great day. Have a great evening. And as always, God bless.